couple of takeaways for you on this presentation is, first of all, every startup in business is in the IP business. And I can't emphasize that enough. I can't encourage you enough to think about your business as being in the IP business. You really are managing your IP assets, and it's what you do with them to make money that really makes a difference. And that leads to point number two, where it's got to be part of your strategy. You need to capitalize on your IP, and it's got to be part of your business strategy. And really think about, are there more ways to do it than just to sell my products and services? And the other thing to keep in mind is the idea that I'm keeping my IP to myself because I'm going to compete and dominate the world is not necessarily a practical strategy today. In many cases, you're much better off cooperating with your competition, cooperating in the market at some level, because it's only going to increase your business value. And that's what leads to point number three, is that licensing lets you leverage your IP. And when you think about the 7 secrets that I shared today, the way that you can generate low-cost revenue, the way you can expand your marketing dollars, get into new markets, build your business faster, these are all secrets of ways in which you can leverage your IP. And that's really what it's all about.